Chapter 1 Crop Production. What is agriculture? The process of growing plant on a large scale is called agriculture. Agriculture is the largest occupation in our country. Two differences on manure and fertilizers. Manure, it is less expensive and biodegradable. Fertilizer, it is very expensive and non-biodegradable. Manure, it improves the soil texture. Fertilizer does not improve the soil texture. Who are known as the farmer's friend? Earthworms are known as farmers' friends. It helps fertilizers mix well in the soil. What do you mean by the term agriculture practices? Agriculture practices are those practices which involve the necessary steps to be taken during production of crops. List the different agriculture practices. The agriculture practices are soil preparation, manuring, seed sowing, irrigation, weeding and crop production, harvesting. Explain the term leveling. Leveling is the process of breaking down the larger lumps of soil and then leveling them by using a leveler. What are the advantages of leveling? Leveling helps to prevent soil erosion caused by wind or air. It helps in sowing the seeds uniformly and thus helps the plants to grow uniformly too. It helps in proper irrigation by allowing the water to get distributed uniformly throughout the soil. What are the advantages of manure? It enhances water holding capacity of soil. It improves soil quantity. It promotes the growth of soil-friendly microbes. It is renewable, biodegradable and eco-friendly. Which are the two methods of modern irrigation? Methods are sprinkler system and drip irrigation. What are the two types of crops? Rabi crops and kharif crops. Rabi crops, the crops which are grown on November and harvested on April, is rabi crops. The crops which are grown on June and harvested on October is called kharif crops. Example for rabi crops: wheat, barley and mustard. Example for kharif crops: rice, maize, cotton, etc. Why appropriate distance between the seed is important? An appropriate distance between the seed is important to avoid overcrowding of plants. This allows plants to get sufficient sunlight, nutrients and water from the soil. What are the harmful effects of using fertilizers? Excessive use of fertilizers had made the soil less fertile. Fertilizers also have become a source of water pollution. What are fertilizers? Give some examples. Fertilizers are chemical substances which are rich in particular nutrients. Some examples of fertilizers are urea, ammonium sulfate, supersulfate, potash, and NPK. What will happen if the soil is not plowed? The seeds cannot be sown in the correct depth. Water and air holding capacity of soil will be poor. What are the traditional methods of irrigation? The methods are moat or pulley system, chain pump, Bakley, Rahat or lever system.